Hello and welcome to another Handy Dan video. If you remember, my little smart car started like this, completely stock. Then I did my first level 1 mods. I drove it for over a year and it got tons of likes. But never finished. Now we're stripping it down to make room for the next level 2, a Duraflex GT300 Wide Body Kit. So I moved the front splitter, the Fender flares, and we're fitting the new front tires. Okay, onto the rear. Loosen up the diffuser. Remove the rear flares and the aero kit. Rear tire fitment. In the back, I removed the diffuser. And then I fit the other tire. Remove the rear fascia, and the rear bumper. I took all of this off the lower half of the car. 30 pounds removed. Next, I need to clearance the fenders. So I removed the front lower portion. Over here I'll need to trim the fenders more for these wide tires. The rear is going to need some trimming too. The new rear bumper here is going to fill in this big hole in the back. And the rear fender flare is going to need trimming too, just to get it to fit up to the body better. And on this side, we have some nice tire poke, and everything's removed. You can see here where the fender really needs some trimming. Okay, so I trimmed the front fenders about an inch more. I can just fit my hand in between the fender and the tire now. That ought to be good. Part of the rear fender shows inside the new wide body, so this part here needs to be removed. It actually cuts with a utility knife with a little bit of effort. And the inner fender will need to be removed too. As you can see, I do not hold back when I want to modify a car. But that's half the fun. So here it is, all stripped down and ready for the body kit. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and keep up to date on all the crazy things I do to this car. Click that notification button. Stay tuned for the next phase on this crazy build.